Hello guys, in this video I want to explain how to load the FNaC Candies 3 into Fusion after decompiling it with FNaC 2.0. So, I'm gonna use this build of Fusion. I do have a legal copy somewhere, but I just like this build more because in most cases it's more stable than the modern one. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna do is we're gonna simply try to load it without any extensions installed, except this one that is not used in the game. So if I drop it here, I get the error that frame can't be loaded. I click no and I can see that it can't find the extension. So now I install this extension. It may not work for the first try, but yeah, let's try to open it again. Okay, so we got this error, we ignore it and click the OK button 2 times. It will give us another error about another missing frame. So now we have to install platform extension. Platform movement, not the platform swing. Okay, so we install it, and then if we try to open it, it gives us a lot of errors. Let's click some of them, and then hold escape key, and it loads. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's random, like really random. Okay, so let's try it again, and if I try to load it again, it will hang the engine and then it will crash. So I'm gonna remove these 2 extensions again and try to do it again. So we drop the MFA file here, click now, and install the extension. Then we load it here again. Ignore all this stuff and install the next extension. Then if we try to open it, we got a lot of errors, we skip some of them and then I'll hold escape key and it crashed. So it's completely random and I'm not sure how it works. So if I try again, it doesn't work. If I install it, run it again, we got this error. We're gonna install another extension. We are gonna drop it here now, click it a few times, and it's crashed again. So it's pretty random, and I still haven't figured out how it works. I will fix this bug in the modern versions, in the newer versions of 2.0, but also I don't know if I'll make the 2.0 version public or keep it private for myself and use it to restore MFA files for Fusion developers. And it simply crashed like without letting me do anything. Okay, so let's try to just install the only one extension and load it. And it works now. Okay, so I kind of understand how it works, but I'm still not sure. Okay, so we leave the text blitter extension here, run the Fusion, and drop our MFA file here. Skip this and click this until, oh, yeah, we should probably install it. We install it, we open the MFA file, and we click it until the progress bar moves. Then we hold the escape key, and it hangs and crashes. I have to wait for it. Oh, okay, here it is. This is a pure magic. I have no idea why this happens and how this thing fixes it, like at all. I checked every single object and everything looks fine, but when I load it into Fusion it simply breaks. and crashed again. Okay, so when it crashes on the second try and I install the extension, okay, the last try. And it worked now. Okay, so it's random. If it doesn't work, if you have the 2.0 version or the M5 file, if it doesn't work, then just try it a few times. Let's check if any of the frames work. I want to check this one because that's the most interesting one, except for the game itself. So I'm gonna replace the... Okay, yeah, this thing probably enables all the buttons. I already checked the M5 before with the old debug version of 0.6 version. Okay, so if it shows this, I'm gonna simply ignore it because I don't care about broken lanes. And it does work. I can click on stuff, I can click on more stuff, I can slow down the jump scare. These things do not work. Here's some spoilers. I'm not gonna show all the stuff. And some more spoilers. That was probably very loud. I'm sorry. Text. Amazing. So yeah, these are probably broken, I'm not sure. I want to find that mini game that I saw before, not this, in the game itself I mean. With this, theater to menu, dreamscape. Okay, it's probably this one. Let's try to load it the resolution is broken, but I don't care, I just want to check if everything else works fine. Shut up, leave me alone. I already read it before. These sounds are probably very annoying. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so here's some instructions about how to play the game. I already know how to play the game. I can probably disable this thing, but I wonder how long it is. Okay, so we can move now. Oh, I see how it works. No, I don't. Also, we got multiple of these frames. Okay, this one is broken. And I can't see anything. Oh, another dreamscape. Can I please go? Okay, can. Deep scare. Okay, so these frames are broken. I can probably remove this overlay here and run it. No, I can't. Maybe now? Okay, it's really broken, and here's the low resolution image of the red. This frame crashed the game before, so maybe this one. One of these frames crashed the game before, but now it doesn't. Use your imagination. Amazing name for an active object with no texture. For real. Okay, use your imagination. Oh, it actually does something. And it has some animations. No, it doesn't. Okay, so here's the game itself. I wonder if it will work. Wait, it does work? Oh, no. Well, technically it does work. If I remove this shade round, okay, it does work. Amazing. And I also should change the effect on this image to add. It does nothing now. Okay, so the tape layer works. I can rewind it. No, I can't rewind it. I can look under the bed and I can see nothing interesting here. Okay, so basically it works. I really like the scrolling here. Also, there is no perspective object for some reason, or maybe I'm just blind. Oh, it uses a shader. I remember how it works here in these games. What if I just... Sorry? Okay. I'm just gonna mess a bit with this thing. So it's 0, 0. I'm gonna set the size correctly. And looks better, isn't it? Okay, zoom value 80. A bit more, 100. Still not enough. Okay, we need another one. Clone. Set it to 0 and make it vertical. I don't remember how this thing should work, but something like this. Maybe with a lower zoom value. The shader is much better, to be honest. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it... oh, not this button. That's how it looks under the bed. And there's actually a three-dimensional effect here, which is really cool. So most of the frames do not crash the game now. Oh, and also this. Also, you shouldn't be here, you don't know. The images have this weird issue with the broken background. So if I place it on a black background, it looks fine, but without it, it looks like this. Yep. Is it the standard movement? Wait. Is it? Oh, I'm stuck? Yep, I'm stuck. Oh, these have no collision. I can simply move wherever I want. Or can I? Ooh, this thing is very broken. Do they have collision? Yes. So, no, this is not a standard movement, as well as this one. Okay, I can't control this one. And this one simply crashes. Wrong. Amazing. A bit extra shadow. Okay. Amazing as well. So these are just images without any sound. Thank you. Here are some future frames. This looks like more like an FNaC exploration video than the actual instruction on how to load this thing into Fusion. And this doesn't look okay, but Maybe that's actually how it should look. I'm scared now. Can I move? No. I don't like this sound. I really hate this sound. What did I just... okay, fine. Who are you? You're a backdrop object. What was this? I really hope that the animation is broken and the game doesn't really work like this, because otherwise it's awful. I mean, it's not awful, it scares me. Why would you do? Man, what the hell? Leave me alone. Oh, I see. Okay, are you the bad guy? Yes, you are. Pass this one. What if I move here? The blank room. Nothing interesting. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm done. Oh, spoiler alert. Okay, so most of the stuff. I'm not. I'll pretend that I haven't seen this, even though I don't know what this is. Do you have any animations? You do have animations. I'm sorry. What is it like a glitch animation, or it's broken, like destroyed? I'm not sure. This one also has the animation. And these objects are weird. I'm not sure what they are used for. Maybe like to store the values. Yeah, probably to store the values. Also, even though there is missing events, most of the stuff does work. Yeah, as you can see, it's... Go away. You're stupid, go away. Or maybe actually it doesn't. Oh, it does. I missed. Also, I'm not sure what's wrong with the resolution. Maybe it's just how the game works and it should scale up. Or maybe the frame size should be lower. Or it used the virtual size that I haven't implemented yet. Looks like this game is endless, or maybe the event that ends it is gone, like this one. Also, I should not click this one because it will crash the engine. Okay, so how do I activate it? I don't want to activate it for now. Okay, so that's all I have. I just wanted to show that people have the 2.0 version how to load the game, and that's all pretty much. Okay, yeah, that's all. Bye.